Hello once again, everybody. It's 10:37 and 8 seconds on July 26th. This is the drawing for the Spider-Man lot that contains issues 298, 299, 300, 316, 344, and 361. Over here on the left-hand side are the 23 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 13. I'm going to randomize 13 times, and the name at the top of the list will get all 6 books. I should be able to ship it in today's mail. Worst case scenario, it will ship out tomorrow, Friday, July 27th. Good luck, everybody. That's 1. Oops, I guess not. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one. 13, spot 3, Chris Hibbs. Congratulations. Time is 10:38 and 24 seconds.